Prescott's got some time here. Rips it to the right. Flag down as the catch is made by Brandin Cooks on the sideline. 2nd and 6 for Dallas. 1 timeout left. Pressure on. And as he throws to the end zone. Ruled down at the 1 is Cooks.
Just a simple post. And what do the Dallas Cowboys and Mike McCarthy believe? They believe the shortest path to the end zone is through the post. There it goes, but watch this throw by Dak Prescott. That was an absolute rope. This is a team that loves working the middle of the field with those seams, but so many teams have players that don't want